Hey there, decor lovers. Welcome back to Decor On, your creative space for home styling, design tips, and budget-friendly decor inspiration. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Today, we're talking about one of the most heartwarming parts of home decor, setting up your baby's very first bedroom. Whether you're an expecting parent, a new mom or dad, or helping design a nursery for someone special, I'll walk you through step-by-step decor ideas to make your infant's room cozy, safe, and absolutely adorable. This is where your creativity can shine. Add a few tasteful decor accessories that enhance the theme. A crib mobile with gentle motion and sound can help stimulate your baby's senses. You can decorate the wall with stickers, murals, or framed art that match your theme, but avoid heavy items above the crib. Consider a soft area rug for floor play, plush toys for charm, and maybe a few potted plants, real or artificial, for freshness. The trick is moderation. Keep the decor minimal to maintain open, breathable space. Let's begin with the foundation, the theme. Choosing the right theme gives your baby's room a consistent and beautiful feel. Many parents love going for soft, nature-inspired themes such as little forest friends, under the sea, or dreamy sky. These help you select matching colors, art, and furniture easily. If you prefer a modern vibe, minimalist neutral themes with cream, white, and soft gray tones are timeless and gender neutral. For something playful, try animal prints, stars and moons, or storybook themes. Remember, your baby's room should feel peaceful rather than busy. Themes don't need to be loud. They just need to tell a gentle story. Even a few wall decals, patterned sheets, and a themed mobile can bring your concept to life beautifully. When it comes to infants, safety always comes first. Every furniture piece in the nursery should be sturdy, well secured, and free from sharp edges. Choose a certified crib that meets safety standards and avoid placing it near windows or hanging cords. A rocking or glider chair can be a lifesaver for late-night feedings and soothing moments. Add a small side table nearby for essentials like bottles, wipes, or books. Opt for multifunctional furniture, like a crib that converts into a toddler bed or a dresser that doubles as a changing station. It's a great investment that grows with your child. Lastly, make sure all furniture is placed in a way that gives you easy movement around the room, especially at night. Lighting changes everything. Babies need soft and adjustable lighting that supports both sleep and care routines. Install dimmable LED lights so you can easily shift from bright, changing time lighting to a soothing nighttime glow. A small night lamp with warm white or amber tones helps maintain a calm mood during bedtime. You can even add string lights or soft lampshades for a dreamy effect. Avoid harsh white light, as it can disrupt your baby's sleep cycle. And make sure all cords are hidden or secured for safety. Natural light during the day is also essential, so light curtains or blinds can filter sunlight beautifully without making the room too bright. New parents know this. Babies come with lots of stuff. From clothes and diapers to toys and blankets, smart storage will save your sanity. Use drawer organizers and labeled baskets to separate items by type. It makes finding things much faster during those late-night diaper changes. Consider installing floating shelves or hanging racks to display books, toys, or decor while saving floor space. Choose materials that are easy to clean and lightweight. And here's a tip. Keep your baby's daily essentials within arm's reach, but higher shelves for decorative or less used items. Organization not only makes the room functional but also keeps it visually calm and neat. A nursery isn't just about decor. It's about love and memories. Add personal elements that make the space feel special. A framed name print, footprint art, or custom baby initials on the wall adds instant warmth. You could also create a memory corner, a small shelf with photos, ultrasound prints, or your baby's first toys. Try handmade touches, like knitted blankets from grandparents or hand-painted art. These tell your baby's story before they even grow old enough to remember. Even small personal items can make a huge emotional impact in the room.